What's up, guys? This is TampaTec, and these are a must-have car tech to have in your car this year. This is the GooLoo A2 jump starter and tire inflator all in one. And this right here is the GooLoo GP4000 jump starter. This will jumpstart your car, pickup truck, or even a diesel truck. I don't have a diesel truck to test it out on, but we're gonna use my car and I'm gonna unplug the car battery and see if it jumpstarts my car. All right, so this right here is 2,500 amps of power, 150 PSI for the tire inflator power. And let's take a look over here. Here's more specs. I like that they have all these specs on the box. This is good packaging. Starting current is 400 amps. Battery capacity is 37 watt hours. And it does support USB Type-C as an input. That's 5 volt 2 amp. And USB-A output is 5 volt 2.1 amp, so it does fast charge your phone if you want to do that. And it tells you all the instructions right here on the outside of the box. And the green light is solid. That means your connection is correct and you can start your car. If the red LED light is lit, then that means you got the connections in reverse, so you have to reverse these clamps. And then if your light is blinking, then the battery voltage is too low, and then you have to try the boost button. No light and no beeping, then the car battery may be damaged. First of all, make sure that connection is correct and try the boost button. And if the green LED illuminates solid, then start the vehicle within 30 seconds. Oh, nice. Comes with the case. Wow. This is actually really nice looking. Not all of them come with a nice case like that. Oh, the colors look good too. And let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh, this is really bright. Bright display, which is good in case you're outside. This is the connection for the clamps. This is the connection for the tire inflator. This is your input charging, and then output charging for your phone or whatever you want to use it for. And here's more specs right here. Oh, it has instructions on the device. Great. Love that. Very smart. Oh, and this is for the airflow, I guess, right here. Ooh, that scared the crap out of me. Oh, it has a flashlight too? Get out of here. An SOS light. And a warning light. It looks like, wow, this thing's pretty good. So if you hit the cycle button right here, so you can basically set it to car or SUV, car, bike, basketball. So I'm going to set mine to SUV. Oh, actually, mine's a car, so I'm going to set it to car. And it looks like it's already preset to 34 PSI. But of course, you could change that. Right, looks like, yeah, you can change that by hitting the buttons. And this is the GooLoo GP4000. This is a way heavy duty jump pack. And this one has overcharge protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, reverse polarity protection, AI software protection, high and low temperature protection, spark proof protection, over voltage protection, over load protection, reverse charge protection. And it does also have the LED lights letting you know that you hooked it up correctly. And here's the specs as well. So it does have input and output, both Type-C. Here we go. Oh, it also comes with the case. Very nice. Thank you, GooLoo, for sending this out. This is a very nice case. And let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, this is packaged perfectly. Look at this. It also has a cigarette lighter port if you want to connect any other devices to it. So if you have a separate air inflator, you can plug it into there. Here's your boost button, correct and reverse light right here. Now it comes with the USB to Type-C connection for if you want to charge your Android phone, and you can also connect it this way as well, but because I believe it supports both. One's a charging cable and one's not. It doesn't come with a charging adapter though. So yeah, that's something you have to look around your house for. And it's fully charged before use. All right, it's telling you to fully charge. All right, so this is where you plug it in right here. There's instructions in the back how to use it. You hold it down, it looks like. There you go. It also has SOS light. And it has the battery indicator, very nice. And right here is Type-C input charging. Oh, this is the charging, looks like, because it tells you right here. There's charging. And this is 5 volt, 2.1 amp, and this is 5 volt, 9 volt, and 12 volt. Wow. All right, so first we're going to test out the jump pack. And so it's fairly easy. You just plug it in right here. And you can only plug it in one way. It's kind of dummy proof, which is good because I'm a dummy. And then right here, you'll see the light right here turn either green or red. If it's red, you have to reverse the clamps on the battery. This right here, you could turn off. And so we're gonna plug in. Oh, here's the instructions right here. It tells you what to do. And it says, yeah, just connect the clamps, so that's what we're going to do. Make sure they're separated. That one there, and this one over here. Just like that. And we got the green light, so we're good. And if you want to hit the boost button, you can hit the boost button if the car does not start for the first try. All right, now we're going to try the boost button. So I'm actually going to remove this and see if it actually jumps start my car without it connected. Now we're doing a really, I don't think it's going to start it. I think maybe the bigger one will, but this one maybe not. Just because, you know, it's not connected. So now you can see that my car battery is disconnected. Now it's just my car's running off of this battery, as you can see right here. We are connected. It's blinking, so we're going to hit the boost button, hold it down. Okay? And so let's go ahead and try to start it. Turn off your headlights. Alright, so we're just going to connect it right here. Make sure it's snug, and then let's go ahead and connect it right here. Alright, so we're connected right here. And then you want to turn this on. Alright, I set it to SUV mode. I'm going to switch that to car mode. It's 34 PSI. So right now it's reading 21 PSI. Currently my tire. So if I disconnect it right here, you can see it at 0. Okay, and then when I connect it, right there, it goes to 20. So when I cycle the button, that's SUV, that's car, that's bicycle, that's for basketball. And so I'm going to choose my car is 34 PSI, maybe 35. Okay. Oh, automatically turns off. Great. 35 PSI, and it still has 75% battery. Okay, let's go ahead and hold the power button to turn it off. Take this out. There we go. So I'm going to demonstrate this one right here. It basically does the same thing. Let's go ahead and test this one out. We're going to use the adapter. Now, of course, this is going to jump start my car. If this one can, this one, without a doubt, can. And so I'm just going to basically demonstrate the power of this one using the air compressor right here. So we're going to use the adapter. So here's the adapter right here, and that plugs in just like that. And then I can plug this in right here, just like that. Okay, and then let's go ahead and wow. is 40 psi. So this one works with the air compressor. So what I think about the GooLoo jump starter, I think if you have a sedan, regular car, SUV, the air inflator / jump starter is the way to go. If you have a big diesel truck, then of course get the jump starter, like the one that's 4,000 amps. But this thing is definitely most universal for people who have regular cars, pickup trucks, or SUV, or even a minivan. This is the way to go. If this video helped you out, give me a thumbs up. If you know anyone that might be interested in the GooLoo jump starter, go ahead and click on the link in the video description below. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.